The role of composites and tooth-coloured materials is important to dentists because it's a relatively simple, non-invasive way of rebuilding the teeth in the same sort of architecture and shape that was done before. However, it's time-consuming. So for a very high-end, careful management, it can take an hour, maybe more, to rebuild all the teeth in composite. The beauty about composite is that although the shape and the colour matches that of teeth, they tend to be brittle and can over time fracture, discolour or stain. And in those situations, if it happens repeatedly, many dentists start to think about crowns.